Hello students, this is my second video on Song of the Open Road. In the first video, I already explained the line meaning of the whole poem. Now let me talk about the title, the message, figures of speech, rhyme scheme and the imagery used in this poem. The title of the poem Open Road symbolizes freedom and opportunity. The road takes you to a new direction without any tension. You always start something new in life. Now, what is the message? The message is we have the liberty to take a new path at any point of time in life. You can bring change in life anytime. Do not worry about impediments. A change or a new path will teach you definitely something new. Now, what are the figures of speech? The first one I have written is metaphor. Metaphor means indirect comparison. The example also I have given, I take the open road. Here, the open road is indirectly compared to the journey of life. The second one I have written alliteration. Alliteration is repetition of consonant sound. Example, querulous criticism. The sound of K is repeated. The third one is paradox. What is a paradox? It is an absurd statement. Example, delicious burden. A burden cannot be delicious. So, it is an absurd statement. Now, what about the rhyme scheme? The whole poem is written in free verse. Free verse means there is no rhyme scheme. For example, I have written the last word of the first line, second line and the third line, that is road, me, choose. The words do not rhyme. So the lines are unrhymed. The next one is imagery. What is imagery? Imagery is the language used by poets, novelists, and other writers to create images in the mind of the reader. Now, in this poem, for the world, the poet has used healthy, free, querulous. For himself, he has written afoot, light-hearted, strong. And for the road, he has used the word open, long and brown. Students, for summary, for the rest of the figures of speech, for theme, for writing the appreciation, please visit my website learnenglish.com. Thank you, students.